Hi there. So what I have today is a general key and knob cylinder, or kick cylinder, with the Schlage C keyway. And I believe I used this in one of the earlier lock disassembly and reassembly videos, but I haven't picked it yet. We're gonna pick it today, and we'll take it apart and see what's inside. I'm gonna use top of the keyway tension with the homemade wiper insert, or homemade wiper insert, homemade tension wrench, and we're gonna place it on one of my kick holders up here so it's a little bit more comfortable to hold. There, that's better. Place that just like that. Oops. And pick. I think I'll go with this. This is a homemade DeForest in 15 thousandths. Picking off the bottom, trying to find a binding pin. And even that's dragging a little bit. Let me lock that back up. And we're going to try something different, which is a short hook in 25, picking off this wording. And just going up and down the pin stack, looking for binding pins. Way in the back though, pin 6. I might have overset something. We'll lock it back. I'm going to try one more time. This time with my Attila. Oh, and we dropped into a false set. Looking for counter rotation. Try and jiggle the pins into place. And there's pin 6. So, we got this open. As we can see, there was one security pin that I honestly forgot was in there. We're going to need a Schlage tool. And I'm going to use a shim just in case that's a T-pin. I'm going to need a follower and a holder. And probably a pair of tweezers. Start by unscrewing this tailpiece, or this nut off the back of the lock. Like that. Dump the detent spring out. So, now I'm going to stick a shim into the lock, just in case there's something surprising up in the cord. I'll go in, and we're going to push this out. You can see that all 6 are populated. Oh, dump 2 pins out there at once. Just like this one went. Yeah. Now to upstairs. standard, standard, spool pin, standard, clean up my springs out, so I don't need some. Push the forward this way. Standard on 6. And spool on 5. So, as you can see, there were a couple of spools in there. So, all in all, a pretty fun pick. And a little bit of a surprise with those security pins. But we got it open. That's all I have for this video. Thanks for watching.